Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday. China. Just because you store the good stuff behind cabinet doors doesn't mean your job's done. Taking care of China takes a few more steps, but they're all easy and will guarantee that your beautiful dishes will last beyond you and hopefully make someone else happy. Heat and moisture are no bueno when it comes to storage, so open those cabinet doors at least once a month to get some fresh air in and circulating amongst those dishes. Next, when stacking dishes, protect them by using felt rounds between each piece. They are inexpensive and you can find them practically anywhere. In a pinch, you could even use coffee filters. When you do use these dishes, make sure to hand wash and dry, and when putting back into the cabinet, don't stack the used ones back on top. Rotate your dishes and put them on the bottom. That way all the dishes get used evenly. Follow these simple tips and enjoy your beauties for years to come. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.